Okay, here we go. I've got all these baby clothes and a tapestry and a shirt and some shorts we're going to do. But what we're really going to do is these baby clothes. First off, I've got this little sets. And then I've got the cutest little set here for my niece Parker. It's a little hoodie I found at Goodwill. Looks like it's practically new. I think it has one little spot here. So that's what's awesome about teaching you this, is that you can do something, especially that's white, that you love. There it is. Little spot on there. And then you'll tie-dye it and no one will ever notice again. So this is really cute. Probably not going to do it rainbow, or I don't know what. Maybe I should do it some blues. I haven't decided yet. So anyway, what you'll need is, this is the box of stuff I just got from eBay. This awesome eBay guy. He's at the bottom of my YouTube channel right there. It says this guy. And these guys are amazing. I'm really excited to check them out. I got turquoise, orchid. I don't know what it's going to be like. Mermaid. I don't even know what I ordered. I'm so crazy. And then, what is this one? Ultraviolet. That sounds good. And lilac. I was out of lilac. And then I also still have the jet black. I have some. I have the magenta. What is that one? Purple, green, and yellow. So I'll fill these in over here and make my rainbow all just the way I want it. So I have some rubber bands and some ties. You can use either ones. I have the gloves. I haven't put them on yet, but I haven't started working. Foam paintbrushes. That soda ash I made. A couple masks, because you're always looking for one and you can never find it. These are the ones that we actually got when we were going to Bali. They're pretty well used. I paint with them all the time and stuff. And then some jars. And then I got a lot of spoons. These people who said, oh my god, how do you put the same spoon in the dye? So I won't do that this time. And we have a curious cat who wants to learn to tie-dye too. So I have a bucket down here. I went and filled these water up with semi-warm water, because I learned that mixing the dye is going to be easier if I use hot water. And that was thanks to Tonya Castro. She's one of my subscribers. Thanks, Tonya. So I'm going to use hot water this time, and actually use a little bit less water and mix it first, and then add more water. Now I'm going to put this little cute outfit in this bucket. So you mix, let's do this here. Let's put the water in. 1 cup. We're supposed to put 1 cup of soda ash per gallon. So that was like, I don't know how many gallons, maybe 1 or 2 gallons. I'll put some more of this in here too. That's a little bit warm too. So then what we're going to do is we're going to let it soak while we take care of this and make the dye.